Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making potato stuffed paratha. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's start. I am using 2 medium boiled and mashed potato, half teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of salt, half small onion slices, 3 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds, half teaspoon whole spices powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon mint leaves, 2 small green chilies chopped. Now give it a good mix. Now it's ready. For dough I am using 2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well. Now add warm water and knead dough for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take a dough and make a 2 small balls. Now coat it with flour. Roll out dough into round shape with the help of rolling pin. Now roll out another dough. Now take a potato filling and make a patty and put filling and spread. Now place another round dough on top. Seal edges. Now sprinkle flour and roll out with carefully. Now it's time to cook. In a hot pan, add dough. After 30 seconds, turn the side. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and cook on medium flame. Now turn the side. Now turn the side carefully and cook again. Now it's done. Take out from the pan. Now potato stuffed paratha is ready to eat. Eat with yogurt and butter. It's yummy and delicious. Please try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.